Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to properly swaddle your baby. Swaddling is not for all babies, and today we're using a mannequin baby, so we'll do our very best to get a snug fit, so stay tuned. So first things first is you're going to start with your square swaddle at the angle of a diamond. Bring the top corner down and place your baby on top of the swaddle, and the baby should be covered from the shoulders down. After you place the baby in the right position, you're going to bring one side of the swaddle over and tuck baby's arm slightly bent. And you're gonna bring it over to get a snug fit. So you're gonna take the bottom of the swaddle and bring it up and tuck it in. And now you're gonna hold baby's other arm and bring the rest of the swaddle over and tuck it under so you have a nice snug fit. Thank you so much for checking out our video. Today's items can be found on our website or in store. This beautiful print is also available in a robe, a Dock-a-tot cover and sheet, or we have more prints to choose from. Check it out.